What's up guys, Ziovo here, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my videos from start to finish, so hopefully you guys do enjoy this video, and if you guys do, be sure to hit that like button down below. And with that being said, let's get started. Once I have a video idea, the first thing I do is actually film the video. So if I'm not going to be using gameplay in my videos and I'm going to be using actual footage, I go ahead and set up my Magnum tripod as well as my lighting kit, and then I use my camera, which is the Canon G7X, to film the video. Once the footage is complete, I go ahead and import it onto my computer, and now it's time to record the audio. For the audio, I use the Blue Yeti microphone to record the actual audio, and the software I use to record and edit the audio is Audacity. Once the audio is done recording, I go ahead and edit it by using the noise removal tool. Noise removal is very easy to use. All you have to do is go ahead and highlight a portion of blank space in the audio file, go to Effect, Noise Removal, and get the noise profile, and then select everything and go to Effect, Noise Removal, and it's going to remove all the noise. Once I'm done that, I go ahead and export my audio by going to File, Export, and exporting the file as a WAV file. Now the next step is to go ahead and edit the actual video in Sony Vegas. Now to import all my files, all you have to do is go to File, Import, Media, and then find all the files you have to import to use in Vegas. Now the first thing I do is I add my intro, so I go ahead and find the intro file, drag it in, go to Properties, right click, Properties, Disable Resample, and click on OK. Then I edit the actual video portion of the video, so I go ahead and find a clip I use. So for example, this can be my video clip, so I can go ahead, drag that in right beside it, line it up, and there we go. Now, to actually edit the video clip, there's a couple things you can do. You can go ahead, go to the corners, and add a beginning fade as well as an end fade. If you want to remove the background noise or the audio for this file, click on the file, click U, and then click on the audio file, and click delete to delete it, and it should go away. Now to split up a clip, all you have to do is click on the clip and click on the S key. Now, once you are done manipulating the actual video clip, you can go ahead and add some audio as well. And to add audio, all you have to do is drag the audio clip wherever you want, and you can edit it in the same way. You can press the S key to split up the audio, delete the excess audio, and once again you can add a fade as well just by dragging in the corners and adding an audio fade as well. And I can find my watermark, and I can drag that on top, line it up just by dragging, add fades as well, and we are good to go. Now after I import the watermark, I can also add in title screens and like overlays in the same fashion. I just make them in Photoshop like so, save it as a PNG file, and then import it into Vegas, and then I make a new track. So I right click and create a new video track, and then I just drag the title screen on top like so, and I add a fade, and if I was to play that, it would fade in smoothly. Now the next step is to go ahead and add some background music to your video. So just find a music file, drag it in, and line it up. And of course, you don't want the music to be as loud as the actual audio in the video. So what you can do is see this yellow line over here, drag it down, and I make it about -26 or 29 depending on the song. And now the music volume is going to be much softer. You can still hear it, but it's not going to overpower the video. Now I'm going to go ahead and split it here and click on the S key, and then I'm going to add my outro. So to add the outro, I just go ahead and find the actual outro image, which is over here, and drag it in. I fade it out, and then I find a video clip to put underneath the outro clip. So we can just put in this file over here right underneath. Now to get rid of the audio in this outro video file, I just click on the U key, delete the video audio, so it's just the outro and the outro video, and then I trim the video like so. Click on the S key, delete the excess video, and now the video lines up with the outro. I also fade out the video like so. Now the final step to finishing this video is actually having the outro music. So what I usually do is I keep the background music and I split it up where the outro begins, so it's like this, and then I cut off the music where the outro ends. So now we have two audio portions for the background music. We have the background music which ends when the video ends, and then it continues on to the actual outro portion of the file. Now for the outro portion of the file, I actually increase the gain of the music once again, so that when my video actually ends and the outro plays, the background music will keep playing, but it'll play at full volume. And you've probably noticed this in my previous videos. If you go ahead and watch them, the outro music just blares and it's the same as the background music, which I think is a pretty cool effect. And then I just fade out the outro music as well, and the video is complete. Now the final thing you need to do is go ahead and double click on this bar over here to select the loop region, and this is the stuff you're going to be exporting. So I go ahead and match up these yellow triangles to the length of the video, which is over here. So now this portion over here, this entire video we have created, is going to be exported. Now to render the video, just go to File, Render As, and I have a preset for my YouTube videos, so I will select that. Now if you guys don't have a preset, you can look up ways to export videos in 1080p 60 fps on YouTube, and once you have your own preset, just click on render and you are done. But yeah, that's how I make my videos, guys. Hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you guys did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching. My name is Ziovo and I'm signing out.